Yo, so what's up guys? My name is Ray and I'm a Filipino and I'm currently here in Korea. This channel is about DIY with my Genesis Coupe. So I'm gonna be tuning it with myself and I'm gonna be changing it with myself if I need to change something. So today I'm gonna be changing my brake pad. I have a power stop brake pad. I bought it from Amazon. So anyway, I'm gonna be changing my rear brake pad. Okay guys, let me show you what I will use to change my brake pad. So I have here my brake pad from Power Stop Extreme. This is for muscle car. So okay, so it comes with how can I call this one? Lubricant, and it comes with some hardware and of course the brake pad. I will just use this one. Already put, and then as you can see the brake is a little bit big for the, but it's okay. As you can see this one, it's okay, it's done.